All right, y'all, this is the look that we're going to be working on today. If you're interested, please keep watching. All right, y'all, so we got to pull these curls back, okay? All right, y'all, so y'all know me. My eyeshadow looks are very simple. I just went in with like a light orange color, and then I just darkened the crease with a brown. Next, I'm just cutting it with this white concealer from Juvia's Place. I went ahead and put on a lime green shadow, then some lime green glitter, some loose powder that I had. Be sure to just wipe the excess glitter off your face. You can go ahead and prime after if you want, or before. Just make sure you get the glitter off. Yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna be kind of off with this talk. As you can see, this video is super quick. I just wanted to give y'all a little something, a little quick tutorial. I like quick and easy makeup, so that's what I'm just showing you guys here. A lot of my routine is the same. I'm gonna try to switch up some products very soon, but I just have this whole concept, like, if it isn't broke, don't fix it. But yeah, you guys, I just like simple looks, simple, quick, cute looks. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And of course, if you have any questions or you have suggestions about maybe I should slow it down a little bit more, or just let me know what you guys think. I've been getting a good response with these quick makeup tutorials, so let me know. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy.